Guys, Mike at Bourgeois Motors in Midland. Just want to take a moment and show you our new 2020 F-150 XLT Sport package, 302A. Let's take a look and see what we've got. We have a level kit front and rear that we've put in this truck. We've put some black fuel rims on with Falcon WildPeak Tires. They measure out to 33 inches. Let's have a look. Thanks again, Mike at Bourgeois Motors in Midland. Thanks for checking out the video. If there's anything else you need, give me a call. Come take a closer look.